it's Julia from violinspiration.com, and today we are going to learn the pretty song You Are My Sunshine. This is a beginner version. If you want a little bit more challenge, you can also find an intermediate version of the same song on my channel. You can find the link below. Below this video you can download everything you need. The sheet music of the scale that I recommend to warm up with, also the backing track of the song, and of course the sheet music. You can find all the links in the video description. Before we get started, a quick question. Do you actually use my slow play-alongs or do you only use the full speed? Please post below slow if you use the slow play-alongs and full speed if you only use the full speed ones. So if you haven't already, watching you, get your violin, get tuned, and let's start practicing together. Great job! I'm really proud of you for practicing with me today. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to my channel because I'm uploading new violin tutorials every week. I also recommend to visit my playlist with beginner pop songs. You can find it below, and there's lots of beautiful songs just like this one on this playlist. I also love to hear from you, so please tell me in the comments how your practice is going and what tutorials you would like to see next. Happy practicing and see you in the next video. Bye! If you'd like a specific blueprint to get good at playing the violin, check out my online violin school, Julia's Violin Academy. It's a step-by-step learning system that comes with a daily practice plan, so you know exactly what to do every day to make continuous progress on your violin. But you don't have to take my word for it. The Academy comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can look through all the lessons, join our live sessions and see if it improves your playing. And if not, you will get a full refund, no questions asked. If you want to learn more, click the link in this video or the link below in the description. We've got hundreds of adults that improved their playing with Julia's Violin Academy, and we'd love for you to do the same. Either way, I hope this video has helped you and I look forward to see you in the next one. Bye!